So you've probably heard that AI is taking over the world. As you know, Kajabi is also big into AI advancements. And one of the features that they released on September 16th, 2025 is transcriptions and translations. And this is auto-generated within the Kajabi platform. So the cool thing is you do not have to go and get your transcript from your video outside of Kajabi and then load those subtitles in. It's going to do it all for you here in Kajabi, which is a huge time saver. So what I want to do for you today is show you exactly how you can do that in Kajabi and just show you it is the quickest thing and that it is so accurate. It is unbelievable. I'm also going to share with you a new feature that is coming soon, so you can get the sneak peek as to what that's all about at the end of this video. And I also wanted to let you know that this feature, translations and transcriptions, is a pro feature, which means that if you've been in Kajabi for a while now, even if you're on the pro plan, you won't have this feature until you upgrade to their newer plans. So on September 16th, 2025, Kajabi rolled out some new plans that include these new features. And so if you want to have the new features, such as this translations and transcriptions feature, you have to upgrade to their newest pro plan. So same pro plan that you're on, you got to change to the new one. Now, if you don't change to the new one, you don't get this feature. So it's really important for you to understand that it's only available in the new pro plan. So if you're new to Kajabi and you haven't signed up, you can sign up with our link in the description there, and you can get a pro plan right off the bat. Or if you are on a basic or Kickstarter or a growth plan and you really want to have this feature, you can upgrade. And when you do upgrade, it will be the new pro plan. So you'll be able to get this feature. If you have questions about any of the other plans or what the features are included in all of them, you can head over to my other video where I go into full details about the updated plans. Link for that will be in the description. All right, let's head over and go check out the translations and the transcription feature. So starting off inside a lesson of one of your courses, this is where you're going to get your video translated. So first thing you need to know is that this does not work on videos that are already loaded. So as in before the update, so before September 16th, 2025, any videos that you had loaded before that, you will have to reload them. So if you are loading after September 16th, 2025, then you're good to translate automatically. So if you have to reload, do that first. For me, I'm going to start in a new lesson that doesn't have a video, and I'll upload a video so I can show you exactly how these translations work. All right, so in our lesson area here, we're just going to go to upload a video, just the same as you normally would. Upload a new file. I'll just go and throw in just a sample video, one of my previous YouTube videos. So we'll throw that in there and we'll let that upload and we'll pop back right away as soon as it's done. All right, now the video has uploaded, so we can go and edit those transcriptions. So let's go open up the closed captions, kind of a weird name for this area. Maybe they'll update that later, but here is where we get a new screen, and this is where we can go and create a transcript. So the first time you come in here with a new video, you can go and generate a transcript. Of course, you can upload your own if you already have one, pre-processed and pre-edited. You can put that in there. But in this case, we're just going to hit generate a transcript, and it actually works quite well. When I was doing testing with this, I was quite surprised on the accuracy of understanding my words. I mean, I am someone who does speak fairly clearly and at a pace that is easy for AI to understand. So my transcriptions tend to work pretty well. So it depends on the speaker. But as you can see, that didn't take very long at all. We have the transcript here. It's actually even written in nice little paragraphs, which is kind of cool. So we can go and change this into a different language if we want. So if we want to go over translations, I can go and choose a language. There are so many, which is so cool. Obviously, I don't speak these other languages. So for me to check the accuracy of them, I can't do that. But I'm going to go with French, Canada, because I'm in Canada and I do know some French. So I'm going to go and click on that one and add a new translation here. And that's it. Like, that's how fast it is. So if I want to pop back here to transcriptions, I can now flip over to French and I can go and see what it says. And I could go and edit this if I wish and check and change words, because sometimes when we translate, the words don't necessarily work as the way we would want them to be. So we can do that. And before I click out of here and show you what it looks like on the video, I just want to share with you that dubbing, as of recording this video, it is not here yet, but they are working on it. This is going to be so cool. Basically, I'm going to be able to speak in any single language that they have available in here, which is going to be amazing. So if your courses are worldwide and different countries where the language is not your native language, you are going to be able to speak other languages, which is super cool. So I can't wait to see when that one comes out. Okay, let's go take a look at what it looks like as a inside of one of the courses as a preview. So what your members would see. So we'll just preview this. Here, we'll turn on the closed captions. So right now, I'm going to put it on French. Are you curious as to whether or not the Kajabi community is a good fit for you? As you can see, well, today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what in French, and I can flip it over back to English. It looks like inside of the Kajabi community. I'm going to show you the members. Timing automatically goes. All the text turned out really well. I didn't even edit this one at all. So obviously with any type of transcription, you always want to go and make sure you read it all through and make sure it's accurate. But it does a really great job. It picks a good amount of text to put throughout the video. I'm pretty impressed with how quickly it was done. A lot faster than doing this outside of Kajabi. So well done, Kajabi. This is a really good new feature. So remember that if you want this auto transcription and auto translation feature, as well as the new dubbing feature that's going to be coming out soon, you do need to have one of the new pro plans. So be sure that you are either signing up for that pro plan using the link in the description, or you can upgrade your current account. You can do that within your Kajabi account. Now, if you want to see more feature videos just like this one, you can go ahead and click this playlist on your screen. That's where I'm going to show you all of the new things that Kajabi has rolled out since the September 16th new Kajabi Evolve launch. Go ahead and watch all of those videos right here.